Welcome to Xciting Machines. Today, we've got something truly exciting to delve into. The Alienware x16 gaming laptop. Now, if you're a gaming enthusiast, you'll know that Alienware has a legacy of delivering top-notch gaming experiences. The X16 is no exception, and in this video, we're going to explore what makes it stand out in the competitive gaming laptop market. Before we dive in, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech adventures. Now, let's jump into the world of the Alienware x16 The Alienware x16 doesn't just excel in performance. It's also a visual and tactile masterpiece. The laptop boasts a sleek and futuristic design that screams gaming prowess. The build quality is nothing short of premium, with a combination of robust materials ensuring durability without compromising on aesthetics. What sets the X16 apart are the subtle yet distinctive design elements. Alienware has managed to strike the perfect balance between aggressive gaming aesthetics and a refined, modern look. The iconic Alienware logo proudly graces the lid, immediately signaling the power within. Now, let's talk about some standout features. One of the highlights is Customizable, RGB lighting. This not only adds a touch of personalization, but also enhances the overall gaming experience. Whether you're gaming on the go or setting up for an intense session at home, the Alienware x16 is designed to turn heads while delivering the performance you demand. It's not just a laptop, it's a statement. Now let's shift our focus to the window into the gaming world, the display of the Alienware x16 This laptop comes equipped with a 16-inch display that strikes the perfect balance between immersive visuals and portability. In terms of resolution, the X16 doesn't disappoint, offering a crystal-clear viewing experience with a 2560x1600 pixels display. Whether you're battling foes or exploring vast virtual worlds, every detail comes to life on this screen. Gaming is all about smooth and responsive visuals, and that's where the refresh rate comes into play. The Alienware x16 boasts an impressive 240 Hz, ensuring that every frame is rendered with precision. It's a game changer, quite literally. Let's talk about the real power under the hood, the gaming capabilities and performance of the Alienware x16 This laptop is not just a looker. It's a beast when it comes to delivering top-notch gaming experiences. At the core of this gaming powerhouse is a formidable Intel Core i7 processor. This ensures that whether you're engaging in fast-paced action or tackling resource-intensive tasks, the X16 handles it with ease. For graphics, Alienware doesn't compromise. The X16 is equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPU, providing stunning visuals and real-time ray tracing for an immersive gaming experience. Whether you're into competitive esports or diving into the latest AAA titles, this GPU has got you covered. And of course, let's not forget about the RAM. The X16 comes with 32 GB of high-speed RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and responsiveness during intense gaming sessions. The combination of a powerful processor, cutting-edge GPU, and ample RAM makes the Alienware X16 a force to be reckoned with in the gaming laptop arena. As gamers, we know that performance isn't just about raw power. It's also about keeping cool under pressure. The Alienware x16 understands this, and that's where its advanced cooling system comes into play. Alienware has engineered a vapor chamber cooling system that ensures efficient heat dissipation, even during the most intense gaming sessions. This means you can push the limits of your gaming experience without worrying about overheating. The customizable fan profiles contribute to a gaming laptop that not only performs at its best, but also maintains a comfortable temperature. So, whether you're engaged in a heated battle or exploring demanding virtual landscapes, the cooling system of the X16 has got your back. Storage is a crucial aspect of any gaming laptop, and the Alienware x16 doesn't disappoint in this department. This gaming beast offers a range of storage configurations to cater to different needs and preferences. You'll find SSD configurations that not only provide ample space for your game library, but also contribute to faster load times and system responsiveness. The choice of storage can significantly impact your gaming experience, and the X16R1 gives you the flexibility to choose the configuration that suits your needs. Whether you're looking for lightning-fast access to your games or need the capacity for a vast collection, the X16R1 has storage options that cater to both speed and space. As we continue our exploration of the Alienware X16R1, we'll delve into how these storage options impact overall performance. Now, let's talk about the keyboard and input methods of this gaming powerhouse. Now, let's shift our focus to the interface that connects you directly to your gaming world, the keyboard and input methods of the Alienware X16R1. Alienware has always been synonymous with providing a top-notch gaming experience, and the keyboard on the X16R1 is no exception. The keyboard boasts a customizable RGB lighting design that not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also caters to the needs of gamers. The key travel and feedback are optimized for a responsive and satisfying gaming and typing experience. These features allow you to tailor the keyboard to your gaming style, providing a personalized touch to your gaming setup. Now, let's not forget about the touchpad. While gaming often involves external peripherals, the X16R1 ensures a smooth and responsive touchpad experience for those moments when precision is key. And for those who prefer alternative input methods, Alienware has customizable buttons to enhance versatility. Staying connected is essential, especially in the world of gaming, and the Alienware X16R1 ensures that you're equipped with a robust array of ports and connectivity options. On the sides of this gaming beast, you'll find a variety of ports, including USB Type-C, HDMI, and Thunderbolt, that cater to your diverse connectivity needs. Whether you're hooking up external displays, peripherals, or accessories, the X16R1 has you covered. But what makes the connectivity on this laptop truly special are killer networking for low latency gaming and Wi-Fi 6 for faster wireless speeds. These features not only contribute to a seamless online gaming experience, but also ensure that you're always at the forefront of connectivity technology. While the primary focus of the Alienware X16R1 is delivering a stellar gaming experience, it's worth noting that this gaming powerhouse also considers the needs of those on the move. The laptop features a large capacity battery that ensures you can game on the go without constantly worrying about finding a power outlet. Now, let's be realistic. Intensive gaming will always consume more power, but the X16R1 manages to strike a balance between performance and battery life. Whether you're traveling, attending a LAN party, or just gaming in different spaces around your home, the X16R1's battery life ensures that your gaming sessions aren't cut short. Now, let's talk about a crucial aspect for many of us, the price and availability of the Alienware X16R1. As of the 11th of April 2023, the X16R1 is available in the market with a price range starting from $379,990. Keep in mind that prices may vary based on the selected configuration and any ongoing promotions. Before you make your purchase decision, it's always a good idea to check the latest deals and offers from Alienware. Availability might vary based on your location, so be sure to explore different retailers to find the best option for you. In conclusion, the Alienware X16R1 is more than just a gaming laptop. It's a statement of power, design, and innovation. From its sleek aesthetics to its powerhouse performance, this laptop is a testament to Alienware's commitment to delivering top-tier gaming experiences. If you've enjoyed this in-depth look into the Alienware X16R1, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and the notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting tech explorations, and until next time, happy gaming.